Hi everyone, and welcome to this AI-900 Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals training. In this first lesson, we will answer three simple but important questions. What is the AI-900 exam? What does it cover? And what are the main AI workloads that you must recognize for the exam? If this content helps you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons on Azure AI and Generative AI. Let's start with a quick overview of the AI-900 exam. AI-900 is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals certification. It is designed for people who are new to AI and machine learning and want to understand AI concepts and Azure AI services at a high level. You do not need to be a data scientist or a professional developer to take this exam. However, a basic understanding of cloud concepts and Azure is helpful. The exam uses a scaled score from 100 to 1000. Requires 700 or more to pass. Has roughly 40 to 60 questions. And usually gives you about 45 to 60 minutes to complete the questions. The questions are mostly multiple choice and scenario-based. Your job is to recognize which AI concept or Azure AI service fits a given scenario. Now, let's talk about the main domains of the exam. At a high level, AI-900 tests your ability to describe common AI workloads and considerations. Describe fundamental principles of machine learning on Azure. Describe features of computer vision, natural language processing, and conversational AI workloads. And, in the latest version, describe generative AI and Azure OpenAI workloads at a high level. In this course, we will follow a similar structure. Laying the foundation in this playlist. Then diving into vision, language, speech, and generative AI in later lessons. Next, let's define what we mean by an AI workload. An AI workload is a category of problem that you solve using AI techniques and services. For the AI-900 exam, Microsoft highlights a few important types of workloads. Prediction and forecasting. Classification and anomaly detection. Computer vision. Natural language processing. Speech and translation. Document understanding and knowledge mining. Conversational AI and chatbots. And now, generative AI workloads. You don't need to code these solutions for AI-900. But you do need to identify which type of workload a scenario is describing. And which Azure AI service could support it. Let's go through these workloads at a high level. First, prediction and forecasting. These workloads use historical data to predict numeric values or future events. Examples include predicting future sales numbers, estimating the price of a product, forecasting demand for inventory. In Azure, these are often implemented with machine learning models in Azure Machine Learning, or with other analytics tools that use ML models. Second, classification and anomaly detection. Classification problems assign items into discrete categories. For example, classifying emails as spam or not spam. Classifying product reviews as positive, neutral, or negative. Anomaly detection problems try to find unusual patterns that do not fit expected behavior. For example, detecting fraudulent transactions. Detecting unusual sensor readings in an IoT scenario. These workloads are also commonly implemented with models in Azure Machine Learning or with Azure AI services that expose pre-built models. Third, computer vision workloads. Computer vision uses AI to analyze images and videos. Common tasks include image classification, what is in this image? Object detection, where are specific objects in an image? Optical character recognition, or OCR, reading text from images or scanned documents. Face detection and analysis. In Azure, these capabilities are provided by Azure AI Vision and related services. Fourth, natural language processing, or NLP. NLP focuses on understanding and generating human language. Typical workloads include sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, entity recognition, language detection, summarization of text, In Azure, many of these are covered by Azure AI language and related services. Fifth, speech and translation workloads. These workloads work with spoken language. Common tasks include speech-to-text, converting audio into written text. Text-to-speech, generating speech from text. Real-time translation between languages. On Azure, these capabilities are provided by the Azure AI speech services. Sixth, document understanding and knowledge mining. Here the goal is to extract structured information from documents and explore large collections of content. Examples include extracting fields from invoices, receipts, and forms. Building search experiences over PDFs, images, and web pages. Combining OCR, NLP, and search together. On Azure, these scenarios often use document intelligence capabilities together with Azure AI Search. Seventh, conversational AI and chatbots. Conversational AI focuses on building bots and digital assistants that interact with users by text or voice. Examples: customer service chatbots. Voice assistants that answer questions. Bots integrated into websites, mobile apps, or messaging platforms. In Azure, you will see references to bot frameworks, orchestration with bot service, and the use of language and speech services behind the scenes. Finally, generative AI workloads. Generative AI uses large models, such as large language models, to generate new content. This includes generating text, summaries, and code, images and other media, answers in a chat-like interface. In Azure, generative AI scenarios are implemented with Azure OpenAI and other models available through Azure AI Foundry. For AI-900, you only need to understand high-level concepts and be able to recognize when generative AI is the right type of workload. Let's recap what you learned in this first lesson. You saw that AI-900 is an entry-level exam that tests your understanding of core AI concepts, common AI workloads, Azure AI services that support those workloads. You also learned that AI workloads include prediction and forecasting, classification and anomaly detection, computer vision, natural language processing, speech and translation, document understanding and knowledge mining, conversational AI, and generative AI. In the next lessons, we will go deeper into these workloads and connect each one to the specific Azure AI services that appear in AI-900 questions. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and continue to lesson 2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.